Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to ds, dv equal to cosine 3s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over 3 sine 3s. Next, we have u multiplied by v. That is about s over number 3 sine 3s. Minus, we have du multiplied by v, and we have like this. The integration of negative sine 3s, that is about 1 over 3 cosine 3s, and I will put about c. So number 3 and number 3, we have number 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.